Welcome back to SMK Entertainment, where we uncover the world's most fascinating secrets. Today, we're taking you somewhere only a few people ever see in real life, inside the US dollar factory. That's right. We're going behind the scenes at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, where trillions of dollars pass through machines and human hands every single year. So, how exactly is money made? And how do you stop someone from copying it? Let's print some knowledge. The journey of money starts in two places: Washington, D.C., Fort Worth, Texas. These are the two official locations of the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, or BEP. Here, highly secured facilities produce all U.S. paper currency. And no, that's not the U.S. Mint. The Mint makes coins while the BEP makes bills. So what happens first? U.S. dollars aren't printed on normal paper. In fact, the BEP uses a special blend of 75% cotton and 25% linen, with tiny red and blue fibers embedded into every sheet. This makes it nearly impossible to copy. The paper also has security threads and watermarks built in before printing even starts. And guess what? That paper doesn't even come from the BEP. It's produced by Crane Currency, a private supplier. The sheets are delivered under heavy guard. The first printing step is called offset printing, where background colors and patterns are applied using massive machines. This step prints up to 32 bills per sheet. The freshly printed sheets are then stacked, dried, and inspected for any errors. Each batch is tracked carefully using serial codes. Next comes intaglio printing, where the most recognizable features are added, like portraits of famous U.S. leaders, numbers, treasury seals, fine line engravings you can actually feel. The intaglio process uses high pressure, up to 20 tons per sheet, which gives bills their iconic raised texture. It also leaves behind that distinct, crisp money smell. Modern U.S. currency has more hidden secrets than you might think. Color-shifting ink on the bottom right number, security threads that glow under UV light microprinting, tiny letters only visible under magnification, and watermarks that match the portrait on the bill. These features help prevent counterfeiting, which is a federal crime with serious consequences. After printing, serial numbers and Federal Reserve identifiers are added. Every bill has its own identity, and there's no such thing as duplicates. Next, each sheet goes through a machine inspection system. If any part of the bill is misaligned, blurred, or damaged, it's flagged. Only perfect bills are allowed into circulation. So what happens to flawed bills? They're shredded into tiny pieces, like right there at the facility. Some are sold as souvenirs, others are destroyed completely. Nothing leaves the building unless it meets exact standards. Once bills are approved, they're bundled into bricks and stored in secure vaults. From there, they're sent to Federal Reserve banks across the U.S. Trucks transport them with armed security, and some even fly under special guard. So, next time you hold a dollar bill, think about this. That piece of paper passed through dozens of steps, hundreds of hands, and millions of dollars in equipment to reach you. It's more than money. It's a marvel of science, design, and security. Thanks for watching SMK Entertainment. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey into the world of money, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us, what would you do if you worked at the dollar factory? We'll see you in the next mind-blowing video.